Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to customize an effective LinkedIn summary. So for this, first of all, what you need to do is open a new tab and search for ChatGPT. So once you search for it, it will open it, and now here, first of all, you need to provide all your details here, like your name first, then your age, then your education, work experience, your skills, and the salary you are expecting. Okay, first of all, provide all these details to ChatGPT. Then just type that write an effective summary for LinkedIn, like this. Press enter. So now it will type a good summary for you, and if you found it lengthy or something like this, you can give another command like make it shorter, or don't make it bold, or don't use emojis, like this. So once you write this, you will find an effective summary for LinkedIn. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.